Okay, so we're going to start learning how to draw with a vector-based drawing app. Vector, here's the word right here on the screen. It's a way of creating graphics on the computer that are not dependent. They can be basically made to whatever size you want without losing quality. So it's a really effective tool for a lot of artwork on the computer. It does kind of create a more cartoony style look. So that's just something that it's kind of part of how it looks. So we're going to use this app called Boxy SVG, and it has to run in Chrome. So if you're using a MacBook, you have to be using a Chrome browser rather than Safari. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the app. And the first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to load in our picture of our animal mashup. So to do that, I'm going to go up to File, Import from Disk, and then here's my animal mashup. Now it's really giant, so what I'm going to do is zoom out. If I go up to the View menu, I can do zoom out or in, and it actually has a shortcut, so I'm going to do minus key on my keyboard, and that'll help me zoom out. Okay, so now what I want to do is go ahead and lock this picture so I don't keep clicking on it by accident. I'm going to be tracing this. So I'm going to click on my objects over on the right and see where it says image. I'm going to go ahead and click the little lock that's right here, the little padlock. Now I can't keep clicking on this by accident.